Good Monday. So last night I made some carne asada using our water broiler. And it reminded me that I have this 1977 Hellmann's steak and dip recipe. It's very simple, just like 6 ingredients. The recipe calls for you to marinate your steak. And my steak is already marinated, which is delicious, by the way. I will put the complete recipe below. Mayonnaise, capers, mustard, me. Why do I laugh at that? I'm going to make about half the recipe. The recipe calls for 2 pounds of round. This is about a little under a pound. Put the ingredients in a blender on high and then chill for about an hour. Let's stop yapping and let's get making dipping sauce. We're going to use our little mini blend attachment, and I have to see what this tastes like. I'm not sure what I think of that. Does taste like ketchup. A little like ketchup. What's the difference? It tastes... It's different. I've never had that. I'm 64 years old and I've never had chili sauce. Get rid of that. I didn't need this. I have mustard, but I was running out of mustard. Where's the mustard? We got our mustard. Half the amount. We need, what do we need? Half a cup of HELLMAN'S. A half a cup of HELLMAN'S. That's a half a cup. Oh. 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Okay. 1 tablespoon of capers. That's a lot of capers, isn't it? How do you get a tablespoon in there? Let's move on to the garlic. It says 1 clove of garlic. That's about half a clove. 1 tablespoon of capers. Hey. We need 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Chili sauce. Oh, okay. Ooh. Let's level that off. 1 teaspoon of mustard. Why is that spoon in there? Why is that spoon in there? Oh! Yeah? Why did I leave the spoon in there? Why did I do that? A teaspoon of mustard. Garlic, mustard, chili sauce, capers, chopped parsley, HELLMAN'S. Okay. Blend on high. What's high? I've got chop, grind, blend. We're gonna do blend. Okay, blend on high. Okay, it says high and it says blend. We gotta shake. It says 30 seconds. Let's see what kind of mess we made. Ooh. Oh, it looks pretty. Ooh. Oh. Okay, into the fridge for an hour. We are going to cut our carne asada into cubes. I have warmed it up, 1-inch cubes. Num 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 num. Ooh. Hellmann's steak and dip. I tried to find some fancy toothpicks and I could not find any. I remember growing up, my mother did a lot of entertaining for friends. We always had fancy toothpicks, you know, the little cellophane ribbons at the end. I don't want to use a fork with this. We're going to use ours. We're going to use it. Because I don't want to use a fork. I want to poke it. Let's try one, man. Oh, it got thick. Ooh. It took all my willpower not to try this dip. Okay. Oh. Hellmann's steak and dip. Oh. Here we go. Mmm. That's interesting. I can taste the parsley, I can taste the garlic. I have to try it on its own. I don't think I've ever tasted anything like it. It's very unique. Let's try tomato. Goes really good with tomato. We got thunder and lightning. It's gonna rain. It is gonna rain. Let's try another bite. Oh. Oh yeah. I'm going to be honest and say I think it needs a little salt. If not in the dip, I'm missing some salt on my asada. It didn't say to put any salt in there, but I'm going to add a little salt. Oh, that's better. I think this is a fun recipe. I think it's a very good recipe. It's a very good steak dip. If you didn't salt your steak, you may want to put some salt in the dip. Alright, let's try it with the salt. Oh yeah. Mmm. 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 Wow. Simple and delicious. Just make some asada, cook the steak the day before. Wow. You'll have a nice little steak and dip thing for lunch. You know what I'm going to say? Thanks for watching.